Let me share a better truth about coaches and coaching industry. You must have been seeing a lot of new coaches coming up, which is okay. Any industry which grows, people are more inclined towards it. Nothing wrong in it. But what's missing is the depth of the knowledge, because people who just come for the sake of making early money are not gonna be successful. They might get early success, that's okay. But in the long term, I have seen lots of COVID coaches vanishing. They have already been vanished. And so is the situation today. Because these people are like hunters. They're coming to just make money. Although, if you get into the details of coaching, it's not only about the money. You can make money anywhere. But here, when somebody goes to you for a transformation, you cannot just, give him a bundle of videos or something else to just keep on figuring it out on themselves. It's a process of mentoring and monitoring together, which comes at a cost, yes. But you need to make your business affordable for people. Again, you can segment depending upon your choice. But even though I see a lot of coaches, they have been pricing fiercely but not able to match the requirements or the need of the people. That is where I call it the gap between the coach's mind and the coaching industry. What the industry need is your lived experiences, your knowledge, which can transform somebody else's life. But what is happening is everything is getting measured in terms of money, value, not the impact. So you have to focus on the impact, not on the money. So people, especially coaches who are looking to make early money, they are literally over promising and doing n number of things to make early money somehow or anyhow. And this triggers the emotional cord of the buyer, who is literally putting their money, time, everything, but not getting results. That is harming the industry as well. So for me, as a suggestion, I'd like to tell you that learn from anywhere in this world. I don't have any issues. The point is, learn from somebody who does it with the heart, who have a system and who is going to stay. Don't just look for some early results. That is how it's gonna be doing. So the way you learn is the way you are gonna impart that knowledge. Again, this sequence has to be broken. This chain has to be broken, because coaching is more about transformation. Coaching is more about getting involved in somebody else's business or life to make them better. Think about it. It's not a preaching which I'm gonna give you. It's about what I feel, and this is what I do with my team, my mentees, and they feel it. So if you really want to become a good or successful coach, you need to be focused on the impact, not only the money. If you want to know more how you can do it, let's have a chat, let's discuss, and I'll tell you how to do it. See you.